Well, a developing story this hour. Advocate Malesela Teffo has made a U-turn and he says he'll remain as counsel for the 4 accused in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, or 4 of the accused number 1 to 4. Remember, accused number 5 is represented by a different lawyer. Slindelo Masigane, you've got this developing news. What can you tell us? It's like it never stops, this drama.
For that, I don't know what to say, because I'm looking at the court papers right now. I literally just received them about 5-10 minutes ago, and it's a lengthy document, I must say. It's a couple of pages where Advocate Teffo has written to the High Court, the state prosecutor as well, to inform them that he is back and representing accused 1 to 4. He's of course gone through a lot of the detail in terms of why he withdrew, the harassment issues, the issues around him believing that the state isn't conducting this trial in an appropriate manner. And he says that him and the instructing attorney, that is Titi Tobane, will not be attending court proceedings on the 2nd of August, which is when we were supposed to actually... Next week Tuesday. This is when we were supposed to confirm the new legal representation for accused 1 to 4. And he says there are a number of conditions that they want to take place before they can return to court and continue with the trial. One of them is the fact that they want Advocate Kherinal to be basically banned from the courtroom because he does not represent the Meyiwa family and seems to hold a certain bias because he believes that the accused are the ones responsible. He says that he wants a response from the NDPP in terms of his letter requesting that the charges be dropped, essentially, and that the state withdraw its case. He says if those conditions are not met, then they will not be returning to court. But in this letter, he's confirming that come the 2nd of August, there will be no legal representation for accused 1 to 4 because they've taken a decision that they're not returning to court until many of these conditions basically
But he's coming back as a legal counsel.
But
he's coming back as the lawyer, as he was again.
Yes.
He's reaching to all these entities.
Yes.
But then he's shifting the goalpost a little bit, if I may say so. Why bring in Advocate Kherinal now? Just remind our viewers who Mr. Nel represents.
So you would remember that on a watch brief, we understand that Mr. Kherinal has been representing the Meyiwa family, watching over the proceedings, seeing the developments, keeping them updated. But in this letter, Teffo says that Senzo Meyiwa, the brother of Senzo Meyiwa, had actually told Kherinal to stop telling the public that he represents the Meyiwa family and that his mandate was terminated a long time ago.
So we don't know yet what this means, what you've just seen now from the court papers. So what's going to happen next Tuesday? We actually don't know yet.
So I was actually on the phone with Advocate Malesela Teffo before I came on air. We were having a connection issue, so I am really trying to get clarity as to what the way forward will be. But I think after 4, if you can just give me about 5 minutes, I'll come back with more
I'm sure you'll get some more. But thank you very much for coming in at such short notice with this breaking news story. I guess the other people that have to be spoken to will be the prosecution and also the lawyer for accused number 5. It's not just Advocate Teffo that is going to make the call.
And we have Magdalene Munsami as well, who's on a watch brief for Kelly Kumalo.
There's so many moving parts.
The brief look I've had at the documents were also cited as Ian says. So there seem to be a number of issues in terms of the interviews we've conducted with Zandi Kumalo and Kelly Kumalo, but I'll give you more.
Those exclusive interviews that you brought us here on ANC. Thank you very much, Slindelo Masigane. Go and find out more and get more information and detail and facts from all sides so that we get a comprehensive picture. Thank you very much. That's Slindelo Masigane.